Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your TCL 30. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. Write Google Classroom and hit the search button. After finding this app, press install. And after installation process is complete, we can open the app, get started. Here you can choose the already existing account or add another one. I'm gonna pick that one and press OK. Now in order to join the class, you'll need to press the plus button right here and then join the class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, simply press this join button. Now, after that, you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.